How to fix TikTok bookmarks not saving. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok bookmarks not saving. So to quickly fix TikTok bookmarks not saving, what you can do is update the TikTok app, because outdated app versions often cause glitches with in-app tools like bookmarking and collections. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find TikTok. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache. Just open your TikTok app, tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner and then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down to cache and cellular section and then tap free up space. Now tap clear next to the cache and then tap clear again. Now the next thing what you can do is log out and re-log in. The simple refresh can reconnect your app to TikTokers. The simple refresh can reconnect your app to TikTok servers, so it registers new saves. So to log out, what you have to do is go back to your settings and privacy. Now scroll down and then tap log out. Once you're logged out, close the app completely, reopen it, and then log back into your account. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.